Oh, hi y'all. I'm Lisa, and this is Pioneer Cooking with Lisa. Y'all ready for a special treat? Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade ice cream. The early pioneer families of Davie worked very hard to provide for their family. But there were also fun special occasions like holidays, birthdays, dinner celebrations. Most of those events were held right at the old Davie school. But one of the most exciting things at those particular events was making ice cream. Let me show you. The ingredients for the ice cream are quite simple: milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla. Now the sugar and vanilla were staple items that you could pick up at the general store. But what about the milk and the cream? You guessed it, you would have to milk the family cow. This was a chore for the children. They would have to milk the cow twice a day, once before school and once after school. They would set the milk aside and the cream would rise to the top. They would use this cream and that fresh milk to add to their ice cream, making it rich and delicious. Well, since we don't have a milking cow available, I'm going to be using a substitute. So I'm going to be using half and half milk, half cream. We're also going to need 1/3 of a cup of rock salt and 3 cups of ice. We're going to freeze our ice cream in a very special way. So now that we have all our ingredients, milk, cream, sugar, and vanilla, let's mix them all together. All right, so you can use an ice cream churner like this, or you can use a mason jar. Put your ingredients inside. You will need a tight-fitting container like this. Put your mason jar in the middle. Add your 3 cups of ice. Add your 1/4 cup of salt. Seal everything and give it a nice shake. But today, I'm going to be using a Ziploc bag. Now on to the hard part about making homemade ice cream, the shaking. Shake, shake, shake! You're going to need to mix your ingredients for a good 5 minutes. Shake, shake, shake! Maybe you can share this with your family, each one of you shaking a little bit at a time. Shake your ice cream! Shake your ice cream! This is an activity that we offer at the old Davie School for our summer campers. The campers love shaking their ice cream. It's one of their most favorite activities. All right, so I'm going to put my ice cream in the freezer because I have another family recipe that I'd like to share with you. Magic cookie bars. Now this recipe comes from one of our pioneers and beloved volunteers here at the old Davie School. Her name is Rosie Anderson. Now the Andersons actually owned a grocery store here in the town of Davie many years ago. All right, that was our timer. Our magic cookie bar is done. Looks wonderful. Oh, Smells delicious. Now we do need to let our magic cookie bar cool for a little bit. So while we're waiting for it to cool, I'm going to tell you where I got our recipe. I got our recipe from the 4th edition of the Davie Historical Society cookbook. Now you can pick this book up at our old Davie School souvenir shop, or you can purchase it online. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut me a slice. Very nice. Look at that, you can see the nuts and the chocolate. You know what would go good with this magic cookie bar? Our homemade ice cream. Let me go get mine. All right, I've got my beautiful homemade ice cream. How about a scoop of ice cream right on top of our magic cookie bar? Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Now that's what I call a treat. So do you think our homemade ice cream would taste any different from the store-bought ice cream? Maybe. What about adding strawberries to your ice cream or even blueberries? Yum. Would you prefer making homemade ice cream or simply going to the grocery store and buying some? Well, I hope you have a special treat today. Until next time, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye now.